This is another fun experiment with color and food coloring that you can watch unfold over the course of a day or even a few days. What I've got is 3 different jars of water and then a few different paper towels rolled up pretty tightly. And I'll put some food coloring in each of the jars. And then we'll mix all those up nicely. And then what we'll do is we will put the paper towels so that one of each end is in a jar. And then over the course of a few days, we'll watch the paper towels change colors as the water starts to creep up the paper towel itself. And we'll see colors start to mix. And then at the end, we'll have a really nice rainbow on all of the different paper towels.